afternoon, dear students. Today we will discuss the chemical reactions of period 3 elements. First of all, we will discuss the reaction of period 3 elements with water. As you know that sodium belongs to alkali metals and it is a highly reactive element due to one electron in the outermost shell and low ionization energy. It is highly reactive and its reaction with water will be exothermic and it will react with the cold water instantaneously, and as a result a colorless solution of sodium hydroxide will be produced. This reaction is very dangerous as hydrogen gas is produced which catches fire. So special care should be taken while doing the reaction of sodium metal with water. This is the main reason why it is not advisable to pick sodium metal with your fingers, as it reacts with the moisture instantaneously, vigorously, and due to its highly exothermic nature, this reaction is highly dangerous. Next is the reaction of magnesium with water. Magnesium has a very slight reaction with cold water and it will produce magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. If we compare the reactivity of magnesium with sodium, it is less reactive than sodium, as the reactivity from sodium to aluminium, reactivity of metal is decreasing. It can react with cold water as well as steam. When it reacts with steam, it will produce magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. It will burn within steam with typical white flame, and as a result, white colored magnesium oxide will be produced. Next comes the aluminium. Aluminium powder, when heated in steam, it produces aluminium oxide. It do not react with cold water. The reason I have already told you that it is less reactive as compared to sodium. Aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas is produced. The aluminium oxide forms a layer of coating on the surface of the metal which protects the metal from further reaction. This reaction is slow because of the formation of insoluble aluminium oxide coating on metal which stops further reaction. Next is silicon. Silicon reacts with steam in red hot state, and as a result silicon dioxide and hydrogen gas is produced. Phosphorus and sulfur, they have no reaction with water. Then comes the chlorine. Chlorine reacts with water to form a mixture of two acids, hydrochloric acid HCl and HOCl, which is hypochlorous acid. The hypochlorous acid, it decomposes to produce oxygen gas in the presence of sunlight. To find out the overall reaction, we will multiply the equation number 1 with 2, as in equation number 2, 2 moles of HOCl are present and we have to cancel it. Cancellation of HOCl and finding out the overall reaction, we will get 2 moles of chlorine plus 2 moles of water. It forms 4 moles of HCl and 1 mole of oxygen gas. Thank you.